Good morning, my dear. I hope you all are fine, and whatever the videos, notes that are sent to WhatsApp, that you are watching as well as learning the notes. Today, my dear, I am going to explain two topics. These are related with MS Word. These are related with MS Word. What are the two topics? First topic that I will discuss today, that will be getting started with a word processor, and the last one, how to create, open, save, close a document. Not only that, I will have a focus on features of word processor, why we use the word processor. Yes, that solution I will give to you. Okay, now my first part is word processor. What is word processor? If anyone asks from you what is word processor, then first of all you will say, sir, word processor is an application program which can perform varieties of tasks like searching a text, replacing the text, changing the font of the text. In other way, you can say three topics. Either we can format the text, or we can make that text. Hello. So you will be saying mainly MS Word is used for formatting and making our documents what attractive. There are many methods how you can make your documents attractive, but one more features that I am going to explain in MS Word is mail merge. It is a very important topic of MS Word. So first of all, I will be discussing the features. What are the features of MS Word? Now, my first one is font formatting. That means any text written by you can be formatted by you in different ways. It can be to make the text bold. It can be to make the text italics, underline, strike. Even you can search a word. Many work you can do it. Understood? That means formatting is what? Making your documents anyhow attractive. Next one, automatic spell checker and corrector. By default, auto spell check is on. By default, auto spell check is on. That's why when you write any word itself, it is corrected. Like when you are writing the spelling of color, COLOUR, itself it is changed into COLOR. So because this is already defined, some words are already predefined. So as per that, itself computer checks and write the correct yes word on the screen. Even you have written wrong, it will correct it. Okay. Now the next one is alignment. You can see these four alignments. One is the left alignment. Another one is the center alignment. Next one is the right alignment. And the last one is justify. So you have four types of alignment. I will be discussing these all topics, but you have to know what is alignment, what is auto spell only. Yes, you have to know, my dear. But in deep, when I will be discussing the steps at that time, everything will be clear. Next, graphics and images. Yes, you can insert the picture. You can insert an object, whatever object like a square, yes, rectangle, triangle, yes, arrow, that all you can have. Even whatever the pictures already saved in the hard disk, that's the type of image, that type of pictures you also can bring here in MS Word. Next one is header, footer, and page numbering. Listen, my dear. Header, top part. Footer means bottom part. So for each and every page, you want to define a header, then you must go for the header. It is just above the body section, above of the body section. If suppose page 1, this is the body, above of body section, there you will have header, and below the body section you will be having footer. So this is called header and footer. Now page numbering, you can have auto page number. That means the first page is over itself, it will write page 1, page 2, page 3. Generally page number we have at the bottom right side, bottom middle, or bottom left side. Somewhere you will see your page number is given at the top right also. So it is up to you how you want to set your page number in your page. Next one is a page layout. When I'm saying a page layout, then margins comes. Left margin, right margin, understood? Top margin. I'm going to show you, my dear. I'm going to show you. Now, just now you can see. This is my page setup. Now, here you can see your margins, your orientation, portrait, landscape, page preview, paper also there, layout is also there. So how you want to work? Yes, I want that, no, my text which should be more. That means my page which is having, yes, in my printer, yes, it should print my documents landscape way, because my width of the page should be more, because my text that is written on a single line, that is more as compared to the height of the page. At that time you have to change your orientation from portrait to landscape. By default it is portrait. That means your height is increased. Now the next part, that is mail merge. So what is the use of mail merge? Suppose I'm going to invite 200 students. Yes, school is going to invite 200 students, and this letter has to be dropped. Now what the school will do, first of all, is school will write a letter, and after writing the letter, school has to make a database of all 100 students with first name, last name, father's name, address, mobile number, whatever. These all information wherever it required. But for correspondence, I need only the student's name, father's name, and address. If more, then hardly mobile number. So using this, I can send this letter to multiple students, having my letters same as it is, but inside I will be using some captions, yes, some text that will be not normal text, that will be having a link with, the data source. And as your mail, your document is merged itself, wherever you have the link, that link will be get replaced with that data which is stored in the data warehouse, that is in the database. That all also I will be discussing in the next class. Now the next part is a find and replace. If suppose you want to search a word, suppose you are having a document that contains 500 pages, and if I say, suppose you have written a story, and that story is about Rohit, but instead of Rohit you have written the story of a girl like Sunita. Now everywhere Sunita has to be changed into what? Into Rohit. So in that case, find and replace will be the best solution. Yes, for you to convert, yes, Sunita into Rohit. Wherever it will be C, that will be converted into he, only by the help of find. It can be for an individual word, or it can be for the multiple words. So all the words to be replaced, then you must have to use replace all. That also I will be discussing, my dear. Now, the next topic, that is your working on table. You have the concept of table, like you have to make a timetable. You can have, yes, a table here, and as per that, you can write the timetable. Yes, not only that, you want to have the record of your students. That means friends, like friends name, mobile number, address. Yes, you can have by having a table in MS Word. But whatever the facilities that you are getting in MS Excel, yes, like some other all facilities, here all the facilities you will be not getting with the table. So please keep it in mind. Now, I hope you have understood this topic. Now, I will be coming to the next part. Yes, that is the components. In your book, components of MS Word. Now, the first one that is given in your book is title bar. You can see, this is my title bar. Listen, it is Office 19, and you have, I think, in your book, it is 2010. So it can vary, my dear. Wait. Wait, my dear. Who is speaking? Hello, who is speaking? Sound is coming. I muted all, then how the sound is coming? Okay. Now, yes. So first of all, you must have to know what is title bar. Title bar already you are having, in which you will be having the name of your document. Yes, which application you are working. Now, just now you can see, this is the quick toolbar. You can see, my dear, here you have the save button, undo, redo. Not only, some more options are also available here. You can see, when you will click on this, you'll be getting the customized quick access toolbar, where you have new, open, save, email, like this one. So I will be just focusing mainly on the groups, understood, which is available inside the ribbon bar. Now, first topic that is given in your book is homework. Now, just now you can see on the screen, this is my home tab, which contains, yes, different groups: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. Got it? So one by one, I'm going to explain these all topics. Now, what is paste? What is cut? What is copy? And what is format painter? One by one, I'm going to discuss. So first of all, I'm going to have a new document. And click on blank document. Now, first of all, I'm going to write a text. Example of word processing. MS Word, Word Star, Word Perfect, open office.org writer. Suppose I have written this one. Now, just let me increase the size. Yes, now it is visible. Now, first, paste cannot work unless copy and cut you have not done. But you will say, sir, you are saying, but you see paste is highlighted. Why? Because earlier Whatever the text I have copied, it is already available in the clipboard, in the computer's memory. That's why paste is highlighted. Got it? Now I'm going to start my work from beginning. So first of all, I'm going to select this text. This text has to be copied. Now, just now you can see, as I have, earlier I have not selected this one. Earlier I have not selected. That's why cut and copy was not highlighted. Now I am going to, highlight this text. As I will highlight the text, you can see cut and copy both are highlighted. Now, cut and copy both are different, my dear. Suppose you want to move your text, selected text. Again, I am saying selected text. If you will not select the text, yes, your computer cannot understand that which text has to be moved or to be copied. Understood? So first you must have to instruct it. So I am going to select this text and going to use copy. Now already it has been stored in the clipboard. Now, where I want to keep my data, suppose here, I want to keep my data here because my cursor is flashing here. I will go and click on paste option. Now, here as I will click on paste option, I will be getting example of a word processor. Listen, copy and paste. It means that multiple times you can have that selected text pasted. As I have written this one and pasted, again I can paste the same contents here. Now this time I will be using the other way. Before I done with the help of button, and now this time I am going to do by other process. I will click the right mouse button and choose paste. Okay, now I will be giving you the third steps how you can paste it. I'm writing, my dear, it is CTRL plus V. Now this I'm going to apply it. It has come. So you must have to know the shortcut key. If you will know the shortcut key, your work will be easier, my dear. If suppose I have to copy, Control C. If I have to cut, Control X. If I have to paste, Control V. So this you must have to learn. And once you will learn, yes, every time you have to not go to, yes, buttons, or you have to not click the right mouse button. Directly you can use Control C, Control V, Control X. Clear? Now, my next part, this is MS Word. I want, no, this is not the suitable place here. I have to move this MS Word from here to here. Yes, where I have to move my MS Word, this text from here to there. Now, in that case, what I will do, I will highlight this text. Only MS Word. I can use Control X, or I can use cut, or I can click the right mouse button and then cut. It is up to me which way I want to do my work. Now I'm going to use, yes, right mouse button, okay, to get cut. Now what happened, my dear? That text has been removed. No, my dear. Text has been removed. What? Yes, physically from there, but logically your text is there where? In the RAM, in the clipboard, and that can be, yes, brought back using Control V. I'm showing you. I will keep my cursor here and Control V. It has come. This is the use of cut and paste option. So I hope this one is also clear to everyone. Okay. Now I am going to discuss format painter. Wait. Before that, I have to do something: bold, italics, underline, and going to change the color. This all. Now, format painter is what? Whatever the formatting effect that you have in the selected text, that formatting work you can apply on the other text. Here what I did in word star, what I did: bold, italics, underline, and color change. So what I will do, I will select this text and I will click on format painter. What has come? Brush has come. Now which text has to be formatted? Again I'm saying, I'm not saying to delete it, I'm saying which the text has to be formatted. Yes, there I will go. Suppose writer, click on that. What happened? Tell me what happened, my dear. Your text, which was having a bold, italics, underline, and the color change, that effect has already been applied in the writer. Got it? Again, don't be confused. Formatting effect, I'm saying, my dear. I'm not saying that word star will be coming there. No. Whatever the effect that you have applied on the word star, that effect is going to be transferred. Once more time I'm going to do it. Suppose see, example is there. I'm going to highlight this example. Now here I'm going to increase the size. Yes. I'm going to change the background color. Yellow. I'm going to change the foreground color. I'm going to make it underline. Now watch it. What the effects that has been applied on example. First, I did bold, underline, background color yellow, foreground color, which one? Green it is. Green. That four effects and the size also. So I want this one to be applied. This effect must be applied to processor. Only to processor. Then what I will do, watch it, my dear. First of all, I will select the text. Clear? And then second step, I will click on format painter to get a brush. Understood? Click on this. Now when I will move here, you see brush has come. Now on which text you want to, yes, apply the formatting effect, there you go and click the left mouse button. Now here I am going and clicking this. What happened, my dear? The same effect has already been applied in this one. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Yes, thank you, my dear.